Open the google.com, and here you can type it git download. Click on the first link, that is git-scm.com, and here you will get it the latest version. So download for the Windows. If you have the other system, then we can also download it for the Linux. So here we are using the Windows system, so we are downloading for the Windows. So I have the 64-bit system, so I am downloading for the 64-bit. It's downloading. So after downloading, we will install it. So move on to the download folder. Here we get the Git. Double click on that. Yes, after that the next. We'll select the default folder here. So here all all the default setting we will set. Next, all default setting, all default setting. Here also the all default. For the beginners, you should make the default setting only. So here it's started installing in the system. It will not take that much time because it's a lightweight they have designed that Git system. Actually it is a software, we can say. So generally we just other software we are installing on the same way we will install that. So let's wait for it's complete. So I think all done. So we'll finish that. Now we can open the CMD. Here we can check it, the Git version, git -version, git -version. So here you can see that we have the Git version, that is the 2.47.1. It's so likewise we can install the Git in our system. So in further we will go for the further details. Okay. So likewise we can install the Git in our system. So you can also install this system so that you can practice with me. Okay. We will go in the deep with the coming videos. So here we are just understanding the basic concept of the Git. So thank you so much.